Sleaze is trying to come out. Is he trying to? So, oh, where's the Sleaze? Hello, you want to sneeze? Hello, you want to sneeze? He's trying so hard. Oh, there it is. Good job. That sleeve finally came out. Yay. Does that feel better? Oh, bless you. Oh man, that's cute. You're cute, kiddo. Any more? We got any more sleeves? Oh, you thinking about it? Hmm? Bless you. Bless you. Any more? Any more sneezes? Or we get them all? Oh. What do you think? Did you get all sneezes out? Yeah?